This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft your very own foam glider. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sheet of foam board, ideally 3/16 of an inch thick, which is perfect for lightweight construction. Grab a sharp craft knife or scissors, a ruler for precise measurements, and a pen. A hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks will be your primary adhesive. Also, have some packing tape ready for reinforcement, and a few small coins or washers for balancing later on. These simple items are all you need to begin your project. Next, let's focus on the wings, which are crucial for lift. Begin by cutting 2 identical wing halves from your foam board. A good starting size is about 7 inches in width and up to 30 inches in length for each half. When joining these 2 pieces, create a gentle upward angle, called dihedral, at the center. This significantly improves flight stability. You can reinforce this joint with a foam spar or even a few popsicle sticks. Remember, a wing aspect ratio of around 6:1, meaning the span is 6 times the width, generally provides excellent glide. Now let's assemble the fuselage and tail. The fuselage or body can be a simple foam strip, ideally 4 to 6 times the width of your wing in length. For the tail, cut a horizontal stabilizer. Its area should be about 1/5 of your main wing's area. Then, create a vertical stabilizer or rudder with an area approximately 1/10 of the wings. Carefully glue these tail pieces together, ensuring they are perfectly perpendicular. Finally, attach the complete tail assembly firmly to the rear of your fuselage, making sure it is straight. The final and perhaps most critical step is balancing and testing your glider. Find the center of gravity by balancing the glider on your fingertips. It should typically be located under the wing, about 1/4 to 1/3 of the way back from the leading edge. If it's nose heavy, add a small weight to the tail. If tail heavy, add weight to the nose, often using 1-cent coins. Perform gentle hand tosses in a clear, calm area. Observe if it dives, stalls, or glides smoothly. Make small, iterative adjustments to the weight or slightly bend the tail surfaces until you achieve a long, stable flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.